5 unpopular uses for ketchup. Gardening. Ketchup can be used as a natural fertilizer for plants. It contains essential nutrients like potassium and phosphorus. Leather cleaner. Ketchup can be used to clean leather. The acidic nature of ketchup can help break down dirt and grime on leather surfaces. Bug repellent. Some believe that the strong smell of ketchup can deter some insects like ants. Rust remover. The acidity in tomato sauce can help remove rust from metal surfaces. Apply it to the rusted area, let it sit for a while, and then scrub with a soft brush. Baking. A small amount of ketchup can be added to cake mix for a subtle flavor enhancement.